Hey guys, make sure to stand till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays and not to just assume that a fuse is good or bad, because that may cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Mustang, that generation from year 2015 to year 2023. If you have one of those and you have problems where the traction control light is on, guys, we'll explain which fuses you need to check that control traction control, ABS, they're practically connected, guys. Which fuses you need to check, what else can cause traction control light on. We'll talk where you can buy, guys, cheap relays, fuses, that way don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered in this video today for your convenience. Make sure to stand till the end. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything, guys. Anything from engines, transmissions, bodywork. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep providing this absolutely free information. And if you guys need to buy any replacement fuses, relays, because some of those could be really expensive at the parts store, any parts, any tools for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So now, which fuses we need to check if you have traction control light on, and what else can cause it. First, let's explain. That's the main fuse box right here, guys. Okay, we're talking about that fuse box right there. Press here, open it up, just like that. On the back side you have fuse numbers right here, and that layout here corresponds to what we have specifically here. Bad news, you don't know what they're for. So that's why we're making that video, guys, to save you time and money. But before we do that, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So multiple fuses can cause, guys, traction control light to be on. There is one main fuse that you need to start with, and that's fuse number 5, corresponding to that fuse right here, in our case 50 amp fuse. Now there is a few more that you need to check, and we're talking about fuse number 28, that one here. That's fuse number 28 over there, guys. Next we need to check fuse number 62 right here. That's that little 5 amp fuse. And after that we need to check fuse number 66. Okay, this fuse here. Those will be the fuses that you need to check. Another thing that can cause traction control not to work often is ABS sensor. It could be bad traction control module, guys, or brake light switch. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.